Here we are again, and today we're going to be picking open a Honda door barrel. I think this one's off a Jazz. With the Hondas, if you're picking the lock, they open anti-clockwise, but you've got to pick them twice, and then you've got to pick it back to the central position, otherwise the key won't go in and out. So that's what we're going to do today. Here's my Lishy hon66. It's not the most comfortable door lock to hold as it's just so small, but we're going to give it a go. Right, so they open anti-clockwise. We can find a nice way of holding this and finding a way for the camera to actually focus. There's the first one. And then we should need to pick it again. There we go, I'll turn a little bit more. And then to go back, I'm going to go back to 0 now. Try and get this camera to stay focused on this. There we go. I got it picked back to central. Just pull this out, if it will. There we go. And let's check the key still works in it. Beautiful. So that's what you got to do on I believe every single Honda door lock out there that use the hon66. You've got to pick it twice anti-clockwise to unlock it, and then to get it back to 0 so that you can actually insert the key and keep using the door lock, you've got to pick it back to central. So not a bad little lock that, I quite like that. Well, there we go. Thank you very much.